The concept is logarithm, and why logarithm is being used. So logarithm is used when we are solving exponential equation. What do we mean by exponential equation? An equation in which unknown variables are given in power, and we are solving that thing. Over there we call it as exponential power. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, first of all, I am going to give you a rule of logarithm. Okay, step by step I will be giving the rules. I will not be giving like um, like I'm not going to give you all the rules together. I will be giving you rules one by one. So rule number one. Okay, the rule number one says if a log is given to you, okay, log is representing log. If a log is given to you with a multiple and there is a power on that log with multiple and a power is given, how you are going to solve this one, how you are going to apply. So if a log with a multiple having a power is given, what will you do? You will take that power and you will write it before log. Okay, you will write it before log, and this is your first rule of log. Okay, log with a multiple having power will be equals to product of power multiplied by log of multiple. This is the first rule which we are going to follow. So now according to this rule, if I have got this thing, I can write it like this, and both will be equal. Both will be. Now I am solving one of the questions so you can understand how you are going to implement this thing while solving a question. For instance, I have got 5x equals to 9. Okay, I can't do anything. I can't take the basis same. I can't do any changes which will give me the answer. So what I'm going to do now, I will apply log on both sides. Okay, I'm going to apply log on both sides. Log 5 to the power x equals to log 9. I've applied log on both sides. Now on this side, I have got a power, and on this side I haven't got a power. So what will happen? The power which is written on the multiple of log, that will be shifted before log. X log 5 equals to log 9. X log 5 equals to log 9. Okay, now x multiplied by log 5 equals to log 9, and I have to find the value of x. So what I am going to do, I have already explained that this thing and this thing are in the product form. So when they are in the product form, what we are going to do, we are going to write it x equals to log 9 over log 5. Okay, and after that, by using calculator, when I will get my answer will be coming 1.37, and this is how you are going to solve a question by applying log. Right now, we are going to apply log only when there is one term on both sides. If more than one term is given on both sides, then you will not apply log up to now. I'm talking about now. I'm not talking about future. I'm saying right now we are not going to apply log unless or until we have one term on both sides. Over here, I have got two terms on. So, what we are going to do, we are going to work it in this way that we are going to, like, see, 4, 1 shifted over here, minus 1, 7 shifted over here, 7 to the power x in positive. Okay, so 3 equals to 7 to the power 2x. Now only one base is there, only one term is there. So what we are going to do, apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. After that, when I am going to apply log on both sides, it will become log 3 equals to log 7 with power 2x. Okay, now this 2x will be shifted. Log 3 equals to 2x log 7. What I have done, whatever was the power, it is now shifted before log. The power 2x is now shifted before log. So now, in order to find this thing, first of all, I am shifting log 3 over log 7 equals to 2x. Okay, log 3 over log 7 equals to 2x. This is the thing which we have got. Now, first of all, solve this part better. You have to solve this one by using calculator. Log 3 divided by log 7. Okay, the answer is coming 0.56 equals to 2x. Now 2 is there. When I will shift it over here and when I will divide it, 0.56 over 2 equals to x. Dividing them, 0.28 equals to x, and that will be your final answer. Okay. This is our new question. 4 to the power 2x minus 3 equals to 20. So how we are going to complete this one? First of all, single term on both sides. So I am directly apply log on both sides. Right? So log 4 to x minus 3 equals to log 20. Okay? After this will be shifted before 2x minus 3 log 4 equals to log 20. After this, 2x minus 3, it is being in the product form, so when I will shift it, log 20 over log 4. Be careful, you can't cancel log by log, you can't cancel 4 by 20. You can't do it. Okay, be careful everyone. After this, I'm not going for direct thing. I'm not going for calculator right now. First of all, I'm simplifying 2x equals to log 20 over 4 log 4 plus 3. And this 2 is in the multiply form. When I will shift it, x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus 3 divided by 2. When you will simplify this thing, you will have your answer. And the answer is coming after simplification. The answer is coming. I'm writing it over here. X equals to 2.58. That's your final answer.
Yes, sir.
Now this question is like e to the power half x equals to 0.7. This is my question, and in this question they are telling us that we have to get the value of x. Now, in order to find the value of x, what we have to do, we have to remove x is given in power, and I have to remove that power. So first of all, two type of log I have got. One is LG, one is LN. Okay. Over here, exponential is given. Base of exponential is given. So I'm going to apply ln over here. Okay. Apply ln on both sides. So this will become ln exponential half x equals to ln 0.7. Now half x is there. Log with multiple having power will be shifted before log. Okay. ln e equals to ln 0.7. I've already told you guys that ln e is always equals to 1. So 1 over 2x equals to ln 0.7. Now I'm showing it in the calculator. See, I have pressed this button over here, and on the screen ln is being shown. Okay. 0.7. Check beta. My screen is showing ln 0.7 right now. When I will press equals to sign, the answer is coming minus 0.3566. So half x equals to minus 0.3566 is coming, and shifting 2 on the other side, multiplying it by 2, the answer is now minus 0.71. They haven't given us anything, so I have written it on 2 decimal form. Okay, I have written it on 2 decimal. 16 of exercise 3.4, and in this question they are telling us to solve to get the value of x by till 3 significant figures. I have to give answer, okay, on 3 significant figures. Now, how I'm going to write it? First of all, they have given us a to the power x, part A is 2 to the power x, 3 to the power x equals to 10. This is the question given to me, and now they are telling us to get the value of x. So first thing what I am going to do over here is that there are two x, there are two unknown values, there are two unknown powers. So what I am going to do over here, beta, I am going to write them in a single bracket with whole power x. And you guys know that we can do this thing. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 3 to the power x equals to 10. Why I have done this one? Because these two are in multiply form and they have got the same power. That's why I have written it in this way. Okay. That's why I have written it in this form. After this, 2 3s are 6, x equals to 10, 6x equals to 10, and after that I will apply log on both sides, apply log on both sides. Over here no exponential is given, that's why I am going to go for LG. LG 6x equals to LG 10. Log with multiple to the power will be written before log. LG 6 equals to LG 10. After this, these two are in the product form. I will transfer it on the other side. X equals to LG 10 over LG6. You will solve it, you will use calculator and you will get your answer. When I have solved these two, the answer of x is coming 1.285. This is my answer of this question. Okay. Now the question says 2x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power x. Okay. So I can see that there are two unknown powers on two different bases. So what I'm going to do, I can directly apply log over here, but I'm not going to apply it. Okay, because I want to simplify it first. I want to simplify it further. If you want to apply log, you can apply log directly also. Okay, I will do it with both type of method, so you can understand that how we are going to solve it. First of all, I am going for simplification first. So 2x plus 1 can be written as like this. Okay, powers are being added, so I can write them in the product form as I have written it on the board. I can write it in the product form as I have written it on the board. After this, 2 equals to, I'm shifting this base over here because this power and this power is same, 3x over 2x. Okay, after this 2 equals to, on different bases which are written in the division form, the powers are same. Powers are same, bases are different, and bases are in division form. So what I can do, I can write it like 3 over 2 whole power x. After this, now 2 equals to 3 over 2 will be 1.5 whole power x. After this, I can apply log. So which log I am going to apply? As there is no exponential over here, so I will be working with LG, applying log on both sides, and LG2 equals to LG 1.5x. LG2 equals to, shifting x LG 1.5. Now these two are being multiplied. I will transfer it over here. LG2 over LG 1.5 equals to x. And after this, when I will simplify it, now I'm using my calculator over here. So LG2 over LG 1.5. See, I'm showing it in the calculator that how I have written it. You guys can see LG2 over LG 1.5. I'm saying the word of LG, but it is written log over log. And don't cancel log. I'm again telling you. Again and again I'm telling you, never, you don't have to cancel log. So when I will simplify it, the answer of x is coming 1.709. They are telling us 3 significant figures. So I'm rounding out 9 and this will be coming 1.713. 3 significant figure answer is there. So again, this is the question and how we are going to solve it on the board. I'm directly applying log over here. I'm directly applying log over here. So LG apply log on both sides. Okay, apply log on both sides. So LG 2x plus 1, LG 3 to the power x. Okay, so now x plus 1 Lg2 equals to x Lg3. Okay, after this I'm shifting Lg2 over here, so this will become x plus 1 equals to x Lg3 over Lg2. Right, now I'm finding out the value of, using calculator, Lg3 divided by Lg2, and the answer of this thing is coming x plus 1 equals to x multiplied by 1.584. When I will simplify it, x equals to x plus 1 equals to 1.584 into x. Okay, this is coming. Now plus 1 is here, so what I am going to do, I'm 1 equals to 1.584 x minus x. So my answer is coming 0.584 x. In order to find x, 1 over 0.584 equals to x, and 1 divided by 0.584, the answer is coming x equals to 1.71. That's my final answer is coming, and that was the answer which I have got from the previous method also, beta. Okay, this is how we are going to complete this question. Next. Okay, this is my question. Question number 18 of exercise 3.4. They are telling us to find x in the given question, and the question which is given to me is 5x to the power minus 1 multiply by, this dot is showing multiply sign over here, beta. Be careful. This dot is showing multiply x plus 2 equals to 10. Okay. Now I have to solve this one, and I have to get to the value of x over here. The problem in this question is that on this side I have got two numbers, two different numbers which have got x as unknown power, and their powers are not same. So first of all, by any means, I have to make my powers same. I have to make power equal over here. Then only I can compare them. How I'm going to do it? First of all, see, these two are written in difference form. These two are written in subtraction form. So I can write this thing as 5x over 5. These are in subtraction form, so I've written it in division form. Multiply by 3x into 3 square equals to 10. These two are in addition form, so I've written it in product form when I have break their indices. This was given in subtraction form. I have written it in fraction form when I break their indices. Now I'm shifting this 5x over here. 5x into 3x equals to 10 into 5 over 9. Okay, now you can see 5 has power x, 3 has power x, and both are getting multiplied. I can write it 5 into 3 whole power x, and this will become 50 over 9. Okay, 15x equals to 50 over 9. I can't do anything else over here. Single base with power x is given. I will directly go for, now no exponential is given. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides, and then when I will apply log, this will become Lg 15x equals to LG50 over 9. Okay, LG15x equals to LG50 over 9. Shifting x before log, LG15 equals to LG50 over 9. These two are in the product form, so I will be shifting it on the other side. This will become x equals to LG50 over 9 divided by LG15, and when I will use calculator over here, I will simplify it. The answer is coming 0.633. They have asked for three significant figure. Now, beta, this is my new question, and in this question, you can see over here that unknown value of x is given as power, but the main problem over here is that, okay, so unknown power is given, but the problem is that unknown power is given on 3 also and exponential also. So which log will I have to apply? That is the thing I have to see. So first of all, what you are going to do, 4, 3 has got 2x. A multiple is given. So 2 will be applied on 3 and this will become 9 to the power x e to the power x. Okay. Right now I am not applying any log. I am just solving it. So 4. Now 9x being multiplied over here, it will be shifted on this side. 9 to the power x. Okay. Same bases are being, two bases are being divided and they have got same power. So I can write it like this: e over 9, exponential over 9. Now I am going to write it in my calculator. See, first of all, I am showing you I have got fraction sign over here. After this, see what I am doing. I am pressing shift and then I am pressing ln button, and I have got e over there. There is a power on e. So what's the power on e over here? Nothing is written, so it will be 1. So I am pressing 1 over 9. See beta, exponential 1 over 9 equals to, and the answer is coming 0.302. 4 equals to 0.30201 whole power x. Now both are numbers, I can apply logs directly. So applying LG on both sides. So when I will apply LG on both sides, it will become LG4 equals to LG 0.30201 whole power x. Okay, power will be shifted before log x, LG 0.30201 LG4. Okay, now this x is there, these two are being multiplied, so this will become LG4 over LG 0.30201 equals to x. And when I will be solving it in my calculator, LG4 divided by LG 0.30201. Check it beta. Log 4 over log 0.30201, which is written over here in the calculator. So the answer is coming minus 1.157. The answer is coming minus 1.157, and we have to give answer in three significant form. So I will be writing it as minus 1.16, and that will be my final answer. Okay, so I am solving this one. 3 unknown powers are there. 3 to the power x, 10 to the power 2x, and 20 to the power x minus 2. So first of all, I have to bring all the powers under 1x so I can solve them properly. Okay, so 3 to the power x, 10 to the power 2x. So 2 I am going to apply over here. This will become 100 to the power x. Only I am going to leave x over there. I am going to apply this over here. Okay, 100 to the power x. 4 multiplied by this thing, 20x over 20 squared. These two are in subtraction form, so I've written it in this way. Okay, after this, 3 to the power x into 100 to the power 4 equals to 4 over 400, and this is 20x being multiplied. I will shift it over here, and this will become like this. Okay, after this, 3 to the power x multiplied by 100 to the power x divided by 20 to the power x, all are x. So I am going to solve it like this, and 4 over 100 will become 1 over 100. 4 over 100 will become 1 over 100. Now, after this step, 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 3 fives are 15. X equals to 1 over 100 will become 0.01. Okay. After this, you can apply log on both sides. No exponential is there. So log on both sides. LG 15x equals to LG 0.01. Okay. X LG 15 equals to LG 0.01. X equals to LG 0.01 over LG 15. Okay. Now you can use calculator and you will get your right. So the final answer with the calculator is coming x equals to minus 1.70, and that's your final answer for this question.